everyone, how are you? Welcome to Brainwaves and Banter. Today's topic is my all-time favorite topic. It brings me like immense nostalgia, like whenever I think about it, and I'm proud to say that I'm actually a '90s kid. So yeah, I think you got the gist of it. Like today's topic is about 90s nostalgia, how we led a different life as 90s kids, and how it drastically changed for us. Yeah, it's all going to be just a flashback of memories, how we used to do things a certain way, and how all of that, when you think back, would seem much easier, much light-hearted, less complex. So yeah, I think let's just dive into it. And I read somewhere, when reading about nice 90s nostalgia, and looking about videos regarding the same, I read somewhere which said, back when streaming meant watching the rain on a window. Like for us now, streaming is like streaming and like a Netflix, on Netflix or any other OTT app. But then back then, we used to wait for our favorite TV shows every day at a particular time. We used to like sit in front of the TV. The excitement that used to be for us, because I think TV series back then are also made in such a way that every day they used to end at a high point where that used to keep us, like excited, and keep us anxious about what's going to happen with that character, or what's going to happen after that scene. And I feel that excitement is like, a really more than what we think right now, because now everything is so accessible to us, and that's a good thing in its own way. But everything is so accessible to us, like OTT platforms and everything. So whenever you feel like watching a movie, you just turn on the app, switch on the app, and then watch movies or series. And I feel this certain method also makes us saturated, and with the content, like generally the content being the same, the content being repetitive, and very less shows or movies are actually different content oriented or thrilling or exciting, but rest all are more commercial, is what I feel. This is my opinion. But yeah, I think it makes us feel saturated at a certain point. But and also I think this is a major reason for me, when it comes to movie perspective. Back then, I don't think we used to have first looks, teasers, trailers for any movie that's going to release. So we used to randomly go to the movie, not even by the word of mouth, but the actors in it. So my favorite hero is Mahesh Babu. So if there's a Mahesh Babu movie going to release, um, no matter what, I'm going to be there in the theater, if that makes sense. So I feel there's less preconceived notion in your head those days, when you used to like go to movies, and it used to give you that good feeling about going to a theater, watching a movie with family, and coming back home. And when I talk about this, we usually, like, my dad is a big movie buff, and we usually used to go to movies second show. So it used to feel so good. Like, it feels like you've accomplished something during the weekend, so that's one of the memory I cherish, like the second show movies with family, coming back home. And the thing is, whenever we have a movie scheduled that day, we don't have dinner at home. This is again another memory for me, because now it's become very accessible again. Like, when you're tired, or when you just want to chill, you don't want to cook or something like that, you just like order it. But when we were kids, we used to rarely eat outside. Most of it was used to be home cooked meal for us, and we used to eat outside only on special occasions, like birthdays, or parents' anniversary, or like movies, like when we used to go outside. And it used to be, I think, that again, we used to get excited about something. We used to get excited about, but I don't think I see that excitement now when I order food, until and unless I'm having a big plate full of dishes, like a thali or something like that. But yeah, like when I used to go to second show movies, our constant routine used to be, we used to first go out to a restaurant, have our dinner, and then head to the theater, watch the movie, and come back home and then sleep. That's like the end of our weekend. So yeah, it used to feel so good. And yeah, and also I think we spoke about school days in general, like during the children's day episode. But another thing that reminds me about school days is my like how my mom used to get us ready to school, like me and my sister, and mostly girls cavity. Like we used to have to jadalu for school, and those memes are so true that I see on internet. Like ela ante, like we used to oil our hair every day. The only days we used to wash our hair, and that too with kunkudkayalu, was on the weekend, like Saturday mostly, or worst case Sunday. And Monday again, our heads used to be like fully oiled. And Adigura Garu, the like my mom is also works, so she is also busy and she has to go back to work on time. So with all that rush, like our rush hour, all those things in general, like me and my sisters, like she used to pull our jada, like okay jada complete అయిపోయింది ఎప్పుడు. That second jada, every time used to suffer that. She used to pull our jada like it like estu to the kitchen. She used to fix the curry, and then she used to come back. And the weird part is, whenever I used to go to school, I think it's the same for my sister. Whenever like we used to go to school, both రెండు జడలు, they never used to face the same direction. Like one used to be in the other direction and one used to be in the opposite direction. And that's, I used to get very frustrated. అప్పుడు నాకు తెలియదు. So I used to be like very frustrated. I used to be like, అమ్మ ఎందుకమ్మా like వేస్తే రెండు నీట్గా సరిగ్గా every time one gets loose, one is tighter, I have to like redo it again at school. It's very frustrating. So I used to tell all of those things, but now I realize that it is very difficult to actually do all of those things అనిపిస్తుంటుంది. Yeah, I think other than this, ఇంకొకటి ఏంటి అంటే ఎగ్జామ్స్ టైంలో, స్పెషలీ జడ కాకుండా ఎగ్జామ్స్ టైంలో వీ యూజ్డ్ టు డ్రెడ్. ఎందుకంటే దే వర్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ వేర్ మా అమ్మ like she used to come back from office. She used to, while she was making dinner, we used to have our quarterly half yearly exams, and మా నోట్బుక్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో నోట్బుక్స్ తీసుకొని షీ యూస్ టు ఆస్క్ ద క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ మేము ఆన్సర్స్ చెప్పాలన్నమాట. ఆన్సర్స్ చెప్పడానికి ఎలా ఉండేది అంటే, ఫుల్ పచ్చడి కుక్ చేస్తూ అది చేస్తూ ఫుల్ ఆ డర్టీ హ్యాండ్స్ షీ యూస్ టు లైక్ టర్న్ ద పేజెస్. అండ్ మేము ఎలా అంటే, అమ్మ ప్లీజ్ కొంచెం నీట్గా, బికాస్ దట్ బుక్, దట్ నోట్స్ షుడ్ కమ్ ఫర్ us ఫర్ ది రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇయర్ కదా. సో అవి కొన్ని మెమరీస్. అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు లైక్ నేను చదువుకొని వెళ్ళేదాన్ని, మా అమ్మాయి క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతుంది అని తెలిసి. అండ్ ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఎంత మంచిగా, లైక్ వితౌట్ సీయింగ్ అండ్ వితౌట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ఐ యూస్ టు లైక్ టెల్ ఇట్ అవుట్. బట్ వెన్ ద బుక్ యూస్ టు గో టు మై మదర్, మా అమ్మ ఆ క్వశ్చన్ అడగంగానే, ఐ డోంట్ నో ఎలానో, బట్ ఐ యూస్ టు ఫర్గెట్ ది ఆన్సర్. లైక్ నాకు స్టార్టింగ్ కూడా గుర్తు రాకపోయేది. అండ్ మా అమ్మ, నేను ద కాన్స్టెంట్ థింగ్ ఐ యూస్ టు డూ ఇస్, అమ్మ స్టార్టింగ్ చెప్పు, ఐ టెల్ ఆఫ్ ది హోల్ ఆన్సర్. అండ్ యు నో వాట్, ద స్టార్టింగ్ వర్డ్ always used to be the or the, however you want to pronounce it. The starting letter always, the starting word always used to be the the. And she just used to tell me that word, and I was like, అన్ని ఆన్సర్స్ దాంతోనే మొదలవుతాయి, సరే నెక్స్ట్ వర్డ్ చెప్పు అని. ఆయన ఎన్ని తిట్లు పడుతున్నానో. Oh my god, that's I think one of the things I cannot forget, like answers చెప్పించుకోవడం. కొన్ని సార్లు the difficult subjects which I know I'm not able to like revise or remember the answers, I always used to say that the book teacher took it for correction, like we don't have the book with us right now. But eventually a lie ఎంత కామన్ అయిపోయింది అంటే, my mom used to like check my bag, like book, I had to like hide it on the shelf under the old books. And oh my god, I think that's again one of the things I remember. And ఇదంతా కాకుండా ఎవ్రీ మార్నింగ్ మమ్మల్ని లేపడం is a big task for her. And Nenu, I don't know, somehow like I used to sleep a lot. And మా ఇంట్లో కూడా like how we wake up is I think she starts off TV లో like she used to put these CDs అప్పుడు YouTube I think we never లేకుండే or we did not use it అంతా so she used to put CDs in the CD player like Suprabhatam, Venkateshwar Swamidi and other like Shivurvi, Lingastakam and all. So we used to like Marco, like I remember now also like if I listen like any festivals time or if I play that music on TV, it remembers me of those days like how we used to listen to those songs and all, and it gives such positive vibes. Like it's the vibes more of, and it feels so pleasant and so good, and it comes with a good sur like music and all. But yeah, it feels so good. I really like though now I think then I used to hate those mornings, the sound lenti part lenti ani, but now when I look back I can relive those moments all over again. It feels so good. And yeah, when it comes to CDs, like school days, summer holidays appudu, we used to like rent out CDs like kotta movies em vachayi ani. And I think the common movies used to be Kushi and all of these. And ella ante there used to be two CDs. One is only for songs and the other one is for movies. So I like because my parents both of them are working, we used to mostly spend our time with our grandparents, Amamma and Tataya. So Amamma is also like into movies and matter. So what we used to do is the apartment where we live in underneath is a shopping complex. So they used to have groceries, rental CD place, computer place, and all. So what we used to do in summer holidays is, in case we have to do something different during the holidays, kada. So we used to go out there, rent CDs, new movies evaithe vachayo, and that used to be a matinee show. Atlanta, we used to get so excited. We used to have a lunch, mottam clear out chesesi. We used to put on that movie. We used to watch that movie, and that's how we used to like spend our summer holidays in general. And it used to be so much fun. And evening అయ్యేసరికి parents are back home and dinner అదంతా అయ్యి cooking అదంతా అయ్యేసరికి ఆ గ్యాప్లో what we used to do is our neighbors used to knock on our doors, and then we used to play hide and seek కింద. We used to play tug of war, chain break అని ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. Chain break అనా? Yeah, I think chain break అని ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. We used to play leg touch. So I think the games, I feel, you know what, like if I sit now and if I like play board games, I love playing games in general. So if I play board games, I feel so good ippudu. But now when I think about it, our games are so different kada, like touch and all. Like that brings me so much of memories from the past. It's so nice, like our games and all. Dabbal kuda equally dabaltunne gaani, but that used to be like very fun. అండ్ ఇదంతా అయ్యి రాత్రి పూట ఎట్లాగో పరిగెత్తి ఆడలేం కాబట్టి we used to play అంతాక్షరి in the night, summer nights. Oh yeah, this is another memory. Summer holidays lo, when ACs were not a major part of our homes, what we used to do is not just us but our neighbors also, very apartments lo, they used to get these mats. They used to get these mats or koncham cushioned mattresses laga, which are slightly thin, not like the huge mattress. We used to go on the terrace, like we used to put those mats, we used to put that sheet thing, and we used to sleep. And because it used to be a little colder outside in the evening and air and all untundi ani, and it used to feel so good. Like we used to like just sleep. Friends, neighbors kuda untaru kada, or when cousins used to visit us, we used to sleep on the terrace and like just looking at the sky. We used to like talk about random stuff, and falling asleep also was not an issue. Like you just lay down and you fall asleep, right? Those were the days. It's so difficult for me to sleep these days, and I really envy the times where I was actually able to sleep peacefully. So yeah, sleepless nights and every there was like no point, and those were the days unfortunately. I think this is another memory, summer nights. And we also used to, like, I know a lot of people who go to villages, like parents where they were born or where the kids were born during summer holidays or holidays in general. But because we were born and brought up in the city, like what we used to do is we used to always visit our mother's home town, or అమ్మమ్మ వాళ్ళు కూడా అక్కడే ఉండేవాళ్ళు, and that's విజయవాడ. So we remember summers generally they're like very hot, and Vijayawada is known for how hot the weather is in general. So we used to hate doing that, but so our grandparents every year used to make a trip to Vijayawada because they have a house there and everything, and they just like spending time there. And so we used to accompany them because our parents are working, and like we used to be anyhow khali intlo, and we used to go. And going there used to be very a big task because the heat and everything. But we also used to love once we were there, because the Sumamamala, they have this house where it's surrounded by coconut trees. So every day our ritual used to be, we used to call someone, we used to ask them to, cut those coconuts, and we used to drink coconut water, like full heat low. We used to have like good food, and wherever food is like very nice, like the punugulu and all that stuff. So we used to have good food. I think this is another memory for me when it comes to summer holidays in general. And it used to be so nice because you used to have so many activities to do outside, like physical activities to do outside and stuff like. But I not ippudu, like when I think about it, I'm like, how did we do all of that without the internet and without social media in general? But I think that's a really fantastic thing that we experienced back in the 90s, I guess. And also, like every day, like when we used to get back from the school and everything, like we were like given snack time with us. So like what used to happen is we used to go to our mama's house, and every day constant there used to be this rava kesari or anything spicy okaroju, or anything like a dessert or something like that, and that used to be our evening snack. And if at all there's like no evening snack, if she's tired and if she's not able to make anything, we used to go to this shop near our house, who used to have hot jalebis, along with they used to have samosas also. So that's my favorite snack. And even now, like when I'm like craving something and when I'm in India, the only thing I can think of is a combination of hot samosas and jalebi. Oh my god, that's like my all-time favorite go-to snack, I think. And that's my favorite. My mouth is currently watering because I'm talking about it. But yeah, I think so many memories when it comes to 90s in general. And I remember exams time lo kuda marks vaste. I think I never experienced this much, but I did experience it for few subjects. So marks takko vaste, they used to ask us to get it signed by our parents also. That used to be a big task. That I used to have a story prepared in my mind, that what made me get less marks, how did the teacher play a part in getting less marks, and why they should sign, and how I can get better marks next time. So idantha oka template ఉంటుంది. So you have to like put in effort to make up a story and tell my parents. And ఎప్పుడు they used to be an order. ఎలా అంటే I used to show off all good marks papers first, and like because the mood is set కదా, and then తక్కువ వచ్చిన marks I used to show them at the last, and I'm like ఇదొక్కటే కదా, it's okay, and I used to get it signed. But I remember when my sister, and this was like very young, I think when I was in second class or so, like we used to have grades A plus, B plus. So Papa, my sister, when she was very young, like first class was no, I think I think Kachinaremo, like UKG maybe. So she got some two subjects to B's or C's, I don't remember, but she got less grades. And I used to like worry about her so much that she did not ask for it also. So what I did was I saw her report card and I was like, Papa, I'm getting takko achha grades. And I changed all of that to A. After I think this is after my parents signed her report card, I changed it to ala takku vasthayi దీనికి అని. And the next day she went to school. The teacher saw her report card and they were like, why did you change the grades in the report card? Mom, must తిట్లు and దీనికి దెబ్బలు పడ్డాయి అనుకుంటా. I don't think తిట్లు పడ్డాయి. Yeah. But yeah, I think EV, and there used to be so much like naughty stuff also when it comes to 90s in general, like manam chesevi. And I think we learned a lot from it, but at the same time I also feel like the naughtiness is still alive in us. So I really think of it like I would like to end this on a very good note that whomever I talk to, like my friends or general who get very nostalgic listening to all of these things, they actually are somehow trying to incorporate things in their life which remind them of their childhood or things like that. And I feel that's nice. Ippudu manam chusna kuda it's all about retro and going back to the 90s style and everything kada. So I think that somehow is making those memories all over again, reliving them. And I think that is good, and I'm also like full on support for it. So I'd love to do that myself. Yeah, I think that's all I had for today. Let me know if you guys connect to any of the things I mentioned. Let me know if you have any different memories, or if, I'm sure we all had same memories, but if I have forgotten anything, just let me know in the comments. Do like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.